Body cup. Chai cup.
Today you spa
Foot spa. Yes. And you clip my toenails, Chai Mai? And have massage chair, Chai Mai. Oh, I love this chair. It's got a real nice comfy massage. Power massage. Oh, wow. This feels great.
Victoria, yes.
Premium Victoria.
Yeah, okay.
1 hour, Chai Mai?
Yes.
Nung Moon.
Yes.
Perfect. 690 baht, guys. Talk about getting spoiled. I'm all bruised up and stuff, guys. My feet are terrible. I'm not gonna lie to you. They're freaking horrible. I'm already getting a sweet, not hard kneading back massage. Oh, guys. Oh, that's great. What a beautiful shop, eh? Chaya. Chaya shop. Come see Mew at Chaya. Chanthaburi. If you want the high class treatment, come to Chanthaburi. My feet are all tore up. Look at the bruising. It's just nothing I can do about it. They're gonna be this way the rest of my life. My doggies are painful. Ugh. Wow, it feels so good. It's like sandy. Huh? Feels so much better. Yeah, so much better. My feet have a lot of problems, but Mew made them feel good. Love the atmosphere. Really nice massage chairs, guys. Really, really nice. Bonus to be getting a nice back massage. They've got a full menu now. Gotta get Nam Yin over here for that's the like Vietnam style shampoo, Chai Mai.
Yes. Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Yeah.
ภาษาไทย Vietnam ภาษาอังกฤษ Vietnam love but Thai ภาษาไทยไม่มี V don't have. And the finishing touch is another treatment. Feel like I could jump over the moon. So much better. My feet are horrible. But Mew made them perfect again. Oh. My God, it feels so much better.
You okay?
Oh, better than okay, Mew. Perfect to help me feel better. ใจดีคนไทยมีแฟน ผู้หญิงไทยแข็งแรงมาก Very strong. No, it's good. So strong. Mm-hmm. Sure. Too much work, huh? Working hard. Be okay though. I always make bruise or sore, or I always do something. Drop something on my foot. Yeah, I think at 7-Eleven, the door, the door to the cooler, it hit me. I was like, what? Yeah, it's like, what? Jeez. But it's okay, not hurting. It looks bad, huh? Looks like a bad bruise. Ooh. I just have to live with bad feet, Mew. Forever my feet will be bad. So I come see you and you make me feel so much better. Now I can go relax. Bye non now. Go to sleep now. Take a nap. Oh. Such a good foot spa. Oh.
I think you is 11.
Yeah, that one shy. They don't pop too much, but you did really good on the pedicure because that one toenail causes me a lot of problems, and you got it. You got it cut way back. You felt that way? Whoa! You have very good skills. Very talented masseuse. Perfect. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, What a treatment. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Wow. Like a brand new me. Beauty, spa, and massage. This place. Hey, it's a tip for you. No, I don't want no money.
Oh,
It's for you.
300 à?
For you.
For you?
Yes. For you. For tip.
ขอบคุณมาก
Okay,
ค่ะ
don't worry about it. Huh?
Yes.
And I have your line
Yes, yes.
so I can make booking with you, okay?
Yes. I just subscribe.
Oh,
subscribe.
subscribe. Take down, follow. Okay,
Yes.
thank you. It's free, no ads. Catch my mind, no money.
Oh, yes.
Just a hobby, YouTube. But I want to buy for my wife. I want to buy the shampoo, the face cleaning, the every big package.
Okay.
Catch my mind?
เข้าใจ
And she can come
Oh.
2-3 hours. Huh?
You come here?
Yes, I will.
You Chanthaburi.
Try, you want blah blah.
Oh.
Yeah. You teach Chanthaburi to one.
Oh, yes.
Me a pom.
ไปกับ
Teacher.
ทีเชอร์
By the way.
ไปด้วย
I can message you. Okay, I come see you.
โอ้
Okay?
ได้โอเค
Okay.
I will chat line
Okay, chat line. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you've got neuropathy, pain in your feet, your doggies are hurting, if you're in Thailand, check out the spas. Mew is amazing.